go. Happy birthday to you. Today's your day. You're the one we greet. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Let's dance, sing, make a wish come true. It's your day, so we're here for you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Let's dance, sing, make a wish come true. It's your day, so we're here for you. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Happy birthday to you, yeah. Let's dance, sing, make a wish come true. It's your day, so we're here for you.
Happy birthday.
Ano ba?
Kantahin na pa.
Okay. One, to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow. Lakas. Sige
Isa pa!
Sige pa.
Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa!
Sige pa.
Isa pa!
Isa pa.
Sige! Isa pa! Sige, sige, sige. 1, 2, yay!
Oh! Ikuin natin. Again. Uy, wala kaming ginagawa. Nakatayo lang kami dito. Ano?
You know, harap!
Yeah. Yay!
Nandito ako sa Kawalan ngayon.
Yay! Yay!
Ano na? Sige na, picture nga.
Gaya mo, gaya mo.
Ayun, ang labo.
Dito, teka.
We were strangers, starting out on a journey. Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. keep going on.
Starting out on a journey. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. It's funny when you find yourself looking from the outside. I'm standing here, but all I want is to be over there. Why did I let myself believe miracles could happen? 'Cause now I have to pretend that I don't really care. I thought you were my fairy tale, my dream when I'm not sleeping. I wish upon a star that's coming true. But everybody else could tell that I confused my feelings with the truth. When there was me and you, I swore I knew the melody that I heard you singing. And when you smiled, you made me feel like I could sing along. But then you went and changed the words. Now my heart is empty. I'm only left with used to be's and once upon a song. Now I know you're not a fairy tale, and dreams were meant for sleeping, and wishes on a star just don't come true. 'Cause now even I can tell that I confused my feelings with the truth. Because I like the view when there was me and you. I can't believe that I could be so blind. It's like you were floating while I was falling, and I didn't mind. Because I like the view. I thought you felt it too. When there was me and you.
Ay! Tingin pa, tingin dito. Wait lang. Uy, yun o, yun o. Ay, wala, magalaw eh. Magalaw eh, ano ba yan?
Hoy! Shh! Bye-bye! 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 Dang, Papa.
Halika, Papa. Halika rito. Halika na, halika mo. Halika. Ano ka? Sige, dito. Papa, dito, Papa. Ay, tikat dito ano.
Kakain ka ng animals.
Oh, kiss na ate. Bati na.
Ang galing na, hug ate.
Bakit umalis oh?
Nagbibidyo eh. Kiss nga yan. Dali, 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Labo, tingnan mo labo.
Yes! A horse! Egg you! Horse! Egg you!
Go. Sige na.
Jen! Ano ba umingiyan din?
Got mo to.
Ito pa yung mga palaban dati.
Ang laban.
Yes.
Kat, benta natin. Aso.
Not yet, not yet.
Good.
Saan?
Ano, Dominic?
Okay.
Let CJ introduce.
Ayusin mo ha.
How many years does this old things? Is charm. Ano ba yan? Uy! Hindi pwede.
Sus, Diyos ko Maria.
Appreciated. Ano tawag dyan?
Benta ko lang kay gusto ko yun.
Ang tawag dyan?
Ang tawag dyan.
Old form yan ng ano, ng solution. Mathematics. Ay, nako. Talagang makaluma talaga.
Ang bawa.
Yan, Buddhist. Hoy!
Ay,
Pag
ay,
ikaw
yan,
nakapasok dyan,
Ay, di ba po dyan?
Yung Thailand? Thailand ba? Thailand.
dali picture ka doon. Upo ka dito.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait lang, video ka ni ate.
Yeah.
Huy! Huwag na. Doon na.
Hoy. Hoy! Sige,
Hala,
iwan ka
hala,
namin na.
hala, hala.
Hoy! Wait lang, sculpture yan. Kinuha niya yung pera sa akin. Ang ganda.
Yun na picture. Pinalagay pa
Dapat
dito.
dinaman mo itong gano'n.
Ano yung picture camera ko dito? Madating mo.
Yung mga antik ko. Medyo mga antik.
Wow! Grabe no?
Gusto ko pumunta museum eh. Magkano lang ito Manila eh.
Magkano?
Free, ano lang siya, free entrance.
Wait.
Free entrance ba?
Hindi, mayroon.
16. Ay!
Manila Miss. Ay, hindi! Nagpunta ako lang.
Kailan?
Kailan ba yun?
Ayan, nagano tayo dyan. Oo, parang.
Wow! Ano lang? Pahinga muna tayo kasi pagod ako sa drive. Chill lang tayo, chill. Chill. Yun o.
Ano ka? Ligaw-ligaw ka. Alam niya to.
Palipas.
Sige na lang.
Sige na lang. Matuloy lang yung magandang view. The morning come. May CR doon, no? May CR doon, may host doon, may ano. Maayos naman CR.
Ay, meron yung ilaw yan niya. Yung flash na ano.
Kala ko tatay ka. Bahay ka na doon.
Share ka na dun. Uy!
Sige. May host naman doon eh, may host. Tubig. Lang. Ito yun ang mga nakasabi sa likod. Yun. Sis! Gila, tama na. Tabaran din nila. Seryoso lang si CJ. Tabaran din nila. Balik sa akin.
Sheesh!
Gusto ko sana doon sa may duyan eh.
Yun o.
Mamaya, baba tayo.
O diba? Mga ano, ganda talaga no?
Yes.
Jay, talaga dito na. Jay.
Hey! Gagi, nasty. Hindi, wala akong ginagawa. Wala, ginagawa.
Uy, ano na?
Sige, ayaw mo yan.
Namadaan.
Wala, di kami makakapag eh. Oh. Wala, sila naglalakad oh. Sila yung sa
Hindi
likod.
maglalakad na yung ano.
Sige, kunti na lang. Wala ka pa sa kalahati. Abante raw. Abante raw, abante. Oh. Abante na. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Dapat pa ba? Go. Oh. Gagi, ang ganda katikat oh. Yan oh, secret boy oh. Nakarating dito. Ayun na, may bata pa na.
It's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sunset and 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you 24/7, 365. Give you my name if you wanted to. Key to my heart if you wanted to. And I hope and pray that you stay right here till we're old and gray. In our last few years, I'm on a knee, I just need a yes.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame.